Bit by bit, Samsung's foldables have become practical, powerful, and elegant devices that you might reasonably choose over a flagship that doesn't bend in the middle. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is no exception, and it's a testament to how far Samsung has come since introducing its first foldable Galaxy in 2019. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 bears almost no resemblance to the original Fold, and the changes are all for the good in the areas that matter. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6 at Samsung Galaxy Unpacked in Paris on July 10 alongside the new but perhaps less altered Galaxy Z Flip 6 and a host of other new Galaxy hardware including watches, earbuds, and the eagerly anticipated Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $1,899 which is $100 more than the previous model. That model comes with 256 GB of storage and an ample 12 GB of RAM. I'll have more on say on the price hike later. It's on pre-order as of today, July 10, and will ship on July 27. There are multiple color options including pink and a few online exclusives including white and crafted black, though I think the navy blue may be my favorite. While Samsung didn't completely throw out the previous Fold aesthetic, its sustainability different in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The handset is thinner and lighter than the previous model. In fact, it's so light at 239 grams that it's only 7 grams heavier than the single-screened Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. That itself is quite a feat. Granted, there may be some material differences like armor aluminum on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 versus S24 Ultra's titanium body, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 feels noticeably lighter than the Z Fold 5 that I brought with me to Paris for the sake of comparison. The chrome edging is gone and I do not miss it at all, even though the button placement is unchanged and the fingerprint reader is the same. All the buttons look and feel better. Unfolded, the Fold 6 is thinner than the Fold 5 and it's also slightly shorter and slightly wider than the last foldable flagship. In a quick comparison with the Google Pixel Fold, though the Fold 6 maintains the height advantage. The newly squared corners and visibly thinner bezels give the tablet-sized screen a more expansive and cleaner feel. The main screen crease is still visible but less so than it was on the Z Fold 5. It's impressive how year over year Samsung moves the art of this technology a little closer to perfect. The crease-free Fold is coming someday. Samsung told me it's strengthened the hinge by adding more steel to the dual rail system. That system, by the way, is more or less sealed, which means it doesn't need tiny brushes inside the hinge to push out debris. Still, while the phone is rated to survive 30 minutes in a meter of water, its ability to withstand a dust storm might be a bit less certain, which is why it has an IP8X rating and not IP68. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 seems better than its predecessor, the Z Fold 5, in almost every way. Should join our list of best foldable phones. Design-wise, I think this is a big leap forward. This now feels like a normal phone that just happens to split open to reveal a big main screen wonder, and it's a lovely screen even with that visible crease. All the built-in AI isn't just fun, it has the potential to be genuinely useful for many people, assuming they can discover it. The cameras are good, though I would love a bigger zoom and more megapixels on the main camera. My main criticism comes down to price. The foldable market remains tiny, and I think consumers will more quickly gravitate towards affordable foldables than they will full-featured ones. Asking for yet another $100, even for a better device, seems like a mistake, and as I noted recently, probably won't help Samsung grow the tiny foldable market. Of course, there is a good chance that you will pay less than $1,899 for the Z Fold 6. I have yet to see a Galaxy phone launch that doesn't include significant deals and discounts.